No? Very good. Very good. Hello?
Hello, I'm the king. Hello, I'm queen. Hello, I'm King Daddy. Hello, I'm dog. Hello, I'm Rose. Hello, I'm cat. Hello, I am Daddy Bear. Hello, I'm Goldilocks. Hello, I'm Dragon. Hello, I Rabbit.
Okay, next word. Andrei, narrators, come here. Ok, moramo da napravimo mesta za naratora našeg. This
This is a story of a turnip.
a great big, enormous. This is a story of a turnip
Growing in the ground.
Good, very good. Now it's time for the king. Yes.
Little seed.
Let's see. Okay.
Great. Enormous. Have you had come and pull up the curve? Rose, have come and pull up the curve. Dog, have come and pull up the curve. Cat, help, come and pull up the curve. Meow. Daddy, help, come and pull up the curve. Goldilocks, help, come and pull out the turnip. Dragon, help, come and pull up the turnip. Rabbit, help, come and pull up the turnip. Great big enormous turnip.
Jeste bili slatki? Mnogo su bili slatki. Poklonite se. Yeah. Thank you.